Hello everyone, a very happy morning to all of you. Today we will discuss genetic code. What is genetic code? The genetic code defines how codons specify which amino acid will be added next during protein synthesis. A triplet sequence of nucleotides on the messenger RNA is the codon for each amino acid. Since there are 4 different bases, they can generate 64 4 to the power 3 different codons or code words by permutations and combinations. There are 31 transfer RNA species carrying 20 amino acids which translate 61 codons. What is codons? A codon is a combination of 3 consecutive nucleotides present on DNA or messenger RNA. Hence, it is commonly called a triplet. That is, a codon is a triplet of nucleotides which could be any 3 of 4 found in DNA or RNA and in any combination. Each triplet codon is read as one and it codes for only one specific amino acid. These are the 64 codons for amino acid for 20 different amino acid. The salient features of genetic code. First, triplet codons. The codes are on the messenger RNA. Each codon is a consecutive sequence of 3 bases on the messenger RNA, that is, UUU codes for phenylalanine. Second, non-overlapping. The codes are consecutive, therefore the starting point is extremely important. The codes are read one after another in a continuous manner, that is AUG, CAU, GAU, GCA, etc. Non-punctuated. There is no punctuation between the codons. It is consecutive or continuous. Degenerate. What is degeneracy? Out of 64, only 61 codes stand for the 20 amino acids. So, one amino acid has more than one codon. For example, serine has 6 codon while glycine has 4 codons. This is called degeneracy of genetic code. Generally speaking, if the amino acid has more than one codon, the first 2 bases in the codon will be the same, only the third one is different. This reduces the effect of mutations. Amino acid and number of codons. For which amino acid, what the number of codons? Arginine, leucine, serine has 6 each. Alanine, glycine, proline and threonine 4 each. Isoleucine 3. Aspartate, glutamate, cysteine, histidine, lysine, phenylalanine, asparagine, glutamine 2 each. Methionine and tryptophan 1 each. Unambiguous. Though the codons are degenerate, they are unambiguous or without any doubtful meaning. That is, one codon stands only for one amino acid. Universal. With only few exceptions, genetic code is largely universal. That is, each of the 64 codon code for the same amino acids in all the species of living world. However, only recently 4 codons present in mitochondrial DNA have been found to be different from the codon in the nuclear DNA. The genetic code has been highly preserved during evolution. What is the difference between genetic code of nuclear DNA and mitochondrial DNA? As AUA codes isoleucine in nuclear DNA and methionine in mitochondrial DNA, UGA termination codon in nuclear DNA, it codes tryptophan in mitochondrial DNA. AGA, AGG codes arginine in nuclear DNA and it is termination codon for mitochondrial DNA. This is the difference between nuclear DNA and mitochondrial DNA. Terminator codon. There are three codons which do not code for any particular amino acids. They are nonsense codons, more correctly termed as punctuator codons or terminator codons. They put full stop to the protein synthesis. These three codons are UAA, UAG, and UGA. UGA is a stop codon, but in special circumstances it stands for selenocysteine. Selenocysteine is 21st amino acid. Initiator codon. In most of the cases, AUG acts as the initiator codons. AUG also act as codon for methionine. In few proteins, GUG may be the initiator codon. The start codon is AUG. Methionine is the only amino acid specified by just one codon, AUG. The stop codons are UAA, UAG, and UGA. They encode no amino acid. The ribosome pauses and falls of the messenger RNA. The stretch of codons between AUG and a stop codon is called an open reading frame, ORF. Computer analysis of DNA sequence can predict the existence of genes based on ORF. Other amino acids are specified by more than one codon, usually differing at only the third position. What is wobbling phenomenon? The wobble hypothesis states that rules of base pairing are relaxed at the third position so that a base can pair with more than one complementary bases. The pairing of codon and anticodon can wobble at the third letter. For example, GGU, GGC, and GGA are the codes for glycine. All three will pair with the anticodon CCI. I is inosinic acid of glycine. The regenerative genetic code and wobbling phenomenon together will reduce the effect of mutations. Mitochondria have different codon. The protein synthesizing machinery of mitochondria is distinct from that in the cytoplasm. There are only about 22 transfer RNA in mitochondria, but there are 31 transfer RNA species in cytoplasm. Thank you.